Breathing in the chemicals.
Holy Santa Claus shit. Can you imagine if we had these when we were 12?
Even better. We got them when we're 40.
You know what's amazing?
1, 2, 3!
Kevin, that guy's not even racing you.
Yeah, he did. He blinked.
Holy shit.
When someone asks me how much money I have spent on my bikes,
somewhere between 700 billion and $1,300,000,000,000,000,000,000,000.
Hi! Oh shit, I just come through here 70. Oh yep, that's it. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Hello? I'm dead. There's no way. There's no way I'm not dead here. There's no way. There's no way they didn't come out. Why did I do that? No! He stayed! Yes! It's my lucky day! Let's go, baby! Let's go!
So I made a sticker and put it on my boy's Harley and somehow didn't notice.
Alright, peace out, man.
Ôi bạn ơi!
He's out to get me! He drew a fucking dick on the back of the car.
Are you fucking stupid or something? You fucking shithead? What? Are you on a fucking date? Are you on a fucking date?
I can't go left here? What? I can't go left there. What a sack of donkey poopy. It is so stupid that I just had to turn right there. Hang on, wait. Oh, okay. That's why the arrow was pointing to the right. Okay. All right. Okay, that makes sense. You didn't see anything.
What owning a Harley Davidson sounds like?
Money, 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 money.
In town and that, yeah? you gotta do the video, innit?
I already did. Oh.
I saw this cyclist today, so I started pedaling like him. I thought it was so funny. Little did I know he thought I wanted to race.
That was hilarious.
Wonder what happens to the music in your Bluetooth device when you crash. Does it just stop, or does it just...
Hit when she says no, don't understand when she don't wanna, sword fighting with my penis like I'm in a fucking dojo.
Fuck you, fuck this, fuck that, fuck off. Who the fuck, when the fuck you fucking fuck are you? Fuck off.